I'd like a Welsh Government statement of congratulations for Jess Fishlock. She won a winner's medal in the European Champions League, playing for Lyon against Barcelona. There are only 5 other footballers in Wales, and she's born in Cardiff, but there are only 5 other footballers in Wales who have achieved such an honour at such an elite level. I think, speaking as a football fan, somebody who's played football from a very young age, when I was younger, it's inspiring to see how well that women are doing in football now in Wales, the national team, and seeing people like Jess Fishlock. It's great for her to encourage youngsters playing the game, and I put a plug in as well for Fairwater Girls, who won the under-12s league as well locally. They're a great team, and it would be great if you could formally congratulate Jess in this chamber on behalf of everyone here. Diolch yn fawr.
Thank you for raising this issue, and of course I'd be more than delighted to congratulate Jess Fishlock on her significant achievements and the role that she is carving out for herself in terms of being a real inspiration to young people and young women and young girls particularly. Football is one of the fastest growing sports for young girls, and I think that's something really to be celebrated. And along with passing on our congratulations to Jess Fishlock, obviously we congratulate Fairwater Girls for their under-12s win as well. I'm sure you'll pass on our congratulations.